Hey guys, good night. So we'll be continuing where we left off on building. Not for long because I'm going to bed soon. But we're gonna put the roof on our grocery store. And again, I want to say sorry for the no audio earlier. And you guys, you do tell me if you can't hear me sometimes. I guess maybe the people earlier were new, and they thought it was maybe normal that I was having a silent stream. It's not normal. I was talking to myself all the time, and yes, had no mic. All right, so let's work on our roof. Let's just get the size of our roof under wraps. Okay, so for this side, do we want to have it out here? We gonna maybe like here. You know, it's nice when it's raining and it doesn't rain over your. You can hide from the rain. Okay, there's a roof at the front. On the sides, we don't know yet. You know what? Let's put on the sides too. And this side, okay, that side. All right. Okay, so this will be the size of our roof, more or less. Okay, so we're gonna bring this down here. We're gonna design our roof on here. That way, just is easier, I think. Okay. Oh, we should have made it taller to have a thicker, not too low. Okay, and now we're gonna add some edges and wedges and stuff. So let's start with model part. Uh, I know that you guys cannot see the hi where I'm from. I am from the Caribbean. I am not in the Caribbean right now, but I am from the Caribbean. Well, it really depends where from means. I'm from many places. So let's get a wedge. So we're gonna put a wedge here on this edge. Okay, good. And all the way to the middle. We're gonna bring it up higher to make the top of the roof. Okay, and we're gonna bring it all the way there. We need a corner wedge. We'll do with where the middle is in a bit. We need a corner wedge. So corner wedge. Oh, you're from Guyana. Oh, awesome. In that case, I'm from St. Lucia. Although I'm not in St. Lucia at the moment, but I am from St. Lucia in a sense. Okay, so let's get a corner wedge. So corner wedge, which we're going to be using. Okay, so first we're going to find which corner we're going to do. So before we decide our corners, we have to get the center of this thing. So we're just going to make this smaller, bring this down, make sure it's colliding on this, and maybe like this way, like that way, around this size. As for the height, that's a good height. Okay, so let's align it with the bottom piece. So we're going to go to our model align tool. It's already open. Now, this case, we do not want to align. We don't want to take out this alignment here. So we have to make sure we choose the right one. X, yes. I'm going to do one by one. So if I get a one wrong, I can always just go back. Y. So what we don't want was Y. So let's go back, and we want pretty much everything but Y. Okay, so there we go. Close the align tool. Sorry you guys cannot see it. Okay, so now we're gonna put our wedges. So now we have our centerpiece. We're going to put our wedges aligned to that centerpiece. Okay, so we do not, it's doing a snap. It's snapping into a place we don't want it to snap. Okay. Okay, it doesn't have to be exactly. We're going to put a little cylinder in the middle there. All right, and our wedge on the corner. Let's put it on the very corners. Okay, and we're gonna pull it to the very corner of this one as well. Okay. Oh, something just crossed my mind, but it's okay. So we're gonna duplicate this. We don't want, okay, we have collisions on, so I'm gonna put collisions off. Duplicate this, and then we're gonna move it down here. We're gonna rotate it 90. I can't see. Yep, so 90 is, nope, 90 is the other side. So we wanted another 90. Correct, and we're gonna duplicate it, and this one is a 180. 180, where are you? 180. Yeah. Okay, so this side, oh no. Okay, so this will be this corner here. Let's see if I can see properly. Yeah. So this corner here. Yeah, I think I told you guys how bad I am at triangles. You can use maths, and you can use the numbers here and do some maths, but yeah, I'm just going by my eyes, what I can see right now. Okay, so we want to do the very same on this side. I'm wondering if we should bring it in a bit more. I feel like we should bring it in a little more. So I will do that. I will bring it in a little more, like here, like this way. Yeah. So this much, and so this one will bring out. Okay, so we're gonna do the very same thing on this side. Since we have already decided on this height, we're going to put that back where it was. Oh well, too late. So I'm gonna duplicate this one. We're gonna move it here, and we're going to do some rotations. We want the corner there, so 90. So I had put it too much previously. Okay, to remove. Okay, we're gonna swap some of our digits here. So we're gonna swap this one. Just cut that and put 56.38386. We're swapping, and this one here, so that way it's symmetrical. Okay, and same with this one. We're going to make it go right there. Okay, so same for the other side. So we're gonna just, oops, I had caps lock. So I selected all three parts, I duplicated, and I'm gonna move it to the other side. We're going to rotate 180, and then we're going to move it to the edge. Okay, and we're gonna take this one, we're gonna rotate it one to 90 degrees, bring it here, and fill up the space. We don't want it popping out. You guys can use the align tool. I mean, I think the align tool is way more effective. Just that this is me not having it, not using the align tool much. Oh yeah, so we had moved we had moved this down, so we have to move this down as well so it can match up. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we move this one to match up as well in the middle here. Why is the side looking like there's a hole? Okay. No one, do not climb the roof and find out how our roof is made, okay? When you go to the grocery store, do not climb the roof. And you're not gonna see what a bad roof it was. um, 180. And just move it to here. We're gonna move this to there. Okay, so this is somewhat of our roof. Let's delete that old piece left there. Delete. Um, okay, so I'm going to take the top parts. Okay, I can select all of them, but we don't want the bottom piece because it's going to be a different material. So the top pieces, I'm going to union together. That will be like a galvanized type of material. And then now I'm going to put the other two together. The materials will be different, so we can't really put them together. So I'm going to group as a model. We can't union them as a model, and it will be called the roof. Okay, so we're going to put it on top of the grocery store, and then we'll decide what materials goes well with it. So let's make sure it's on. Okay, and now to move it in as the correct position. Yep. How much space did we say we were gonna give this thing? Okay, that looks okay on all sides for the space. The back a little less space, the front a little more. Okay, so now let's choose a material for our roof. The bottom part, I think, we'll decide the bottom first. The top is a bit more obvious materials. We have a few type of galvanized materials that we can use. So let's go to materials. Okay, and I think there were a few types of not ceramic, carpet, or brick. Cobblestone is a no. I feel like I want to go with one of those galvanized things. I forgot what the name. When I see it, I'll know. I think I better know when I see it. A metal. That looks ugly. Even that looks okay. Yeah, so it was a metal. So like looking at this metal, I think something like this. One of those type of metals. So I think I will just go with this one, but let's just wait. Go look at the others quickly. Yeah, so they're metal sheets. So I want to remember this one that I went with. It's called Metal something. Can't see the rest of it. Yeah, I think I'll just go with that. No need to look for more because I already like the look of that's the idea I wanted. Okay, so now for the second piece is not going to be metal. Maybe we might use a wood material for the bottom part. Um, okay, let's just put wood, quick wood, and then see what options we've got. Not floor wood, like this type of wood. Mm, nope. Okay. No. No. This planks. Okay, this plank actually looks not so bad. But I only want one, so maybe we would have to shorten our. We'd have to make it shorter. So let's do that. Three. Make it short just enough for one piece. No, Control Z. Let's bring it down instead. Oh, what did I do? I feel like okay. Yeah, so that's fine. And let's take this union piece and let's bring it down to meet up with it. It sends me so far away. Okay. The sheet of metal that's at the top. There we go. There's no spaces in between. Yep, there's a space. But we don't want that space. No one can see that space anyways. It's just me, right? Yep, there's a space. I see the space. Okay, so it has to go a little bit more down. All right. Okay, let's make sure these are anchored. Model, anchor, yep. So now our roof is there. So we might have a lighting problem. Yep. So now that we have a roof, we need some lighting. We have no light. So let's create some lamps. Let's create some lights. So we're gonna create we don't have time to make lights, so we're just gonna make some light looking things. light like looking things. Oh my gosh, I just realized it's even worse now. You guys cannot even see. I don't know what's up with. You guys can't see anything I'm doing. Oh my goodness. I really think that ever since we've had this new update, Roblox is not letting me stream at all. Everything I stream is it does a really horrible job. So there's really no point streaming. You guys can't see a thing, and I didn't even notice that. Yeah, so I'm gonna cancel the stream. There's really no point. And I don't know how to fix this because I have tried many things. Even before I started streaming, I spent a good few minutes trying to show the screen and it just wouldn't show it. And then I compromised. I'm like, okay, well, at least y'all can see what's happening in the middle of the screen. But that looks like that's not even the case, and I accidentally just saw that. Yeah, so sorry guys. I will end the stream there because there's really no point. I'm talking and you guys can't see what I'm doing. But if you want to see the update once I'm done, I will publish it to Roblox and you can go play the game and see how far we are now. But yeah, I don't know. I will try a few more times, maybe tomorrow and after, and see what's going on. But yeah, Roblox had an update. Yeah, for you guys who are using Studio, there was an update yesterday or day before yesterday, and ever since then, it's not letting me stream Roblox Studio at all. uh I know for sure if I stream my entire screen that would resolve the issue, but I do not want to stream my entire screen. Sorry. So just we'll figure this out eventually. And if I can't stream Roblox anymore, I guess we can stream playing Roblox games. Haha, you guys want me to play some awesome games. But yeah, if y'all choose good games, I don't like the games a lot of you guys chose previously, okay? Um but we'll see. I'm still gonna be working on the game I'm making. So bye, I'm gonna continue working on it a little bit before I go to bed. Yeah, sorry, I don't even know when it started that you guys were not even seeing what I was doing. Bye. Have a good